Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on LinkedIn using your PC following the latest update. It's a quick and straightforward process, so let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is where you can access your profile and settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your LinkedIn preferences. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Account Preferences. Under this, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where LinkedIn now groups your basic profile information, including your contact details. Scroll down a little until you see the option to edit contact info. Click on this, and you'll be able to update your phone number. Now simply enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double-check it for accuracy to avoid any issues with verification later on. After entering your new number, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change. LinkedIn may send you a verification code via text to ensure that the number belongs to you. Enter that code when prompted, and your phone number will be updated successfully. And that's it. You've just changed your phone number on LinkedIn using your PC with the new interface. Keeping your contact information up to date is crucial for networking and staying connected with your professional contacts. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your networking.